Yeah, mo kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi ṣé àlàáfíà ni mo bá yín ọ̀dẹ ọdún bí gbogbo aládùúrà fún gbogbo ojú yìí tó ń wò mí lágbára Èdùmàrè ojú yín ò ní relédè yín ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ìran ayọ̀ lẹ́ máa fi wò lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ ò ní fi wo ìran ìbànújẹ́ lágbára ọba mi Èdùmàrè ẹ tún ní kí ni mo mú wá fún yín lénìí ọ̀rọ̀ Yomi Fábíyì ni o Fásọsí Wùnmí Adébánjọ ẹ gbọ́ information kan ni mo gbọ́ tó yà mí lẹ́nu tó tún surprise mi ẹ gbọ́ wọ́n ní Wùnmí ó ń fi àwọn agbénipa ó fi ń threaten Yomi ẹ gbọ́ ṣé lóòótọ́ ni tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ bá mi fi èrò ọkàn yín sí abẹ́ comment section irú effrontery wo ni Wùnmí lè ní irú agbára wo ni Wùnmí lè ní adẹ̀múkáwí àwọn kan sọ wípé kò sí alágbára kan lẹ́yìn Wùnmí tí ò bá sí alágbára lẹ́yìn Wùnmí ṣó possible ní ìlú Nàìjíríà níbi tí Nàìjíríà gbé délé nìyí kí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó dẹ̀ wà nínú ilé kọ́ máa fọwọ́ kan ẹ̀kan nu wọn ẹ dẹ̀ ní kò sálágbára lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn ẹ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ o ẹ mọ̀ deep down nínú yín pé ẹ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ ẹ kàn fi ń kọ́fà justice ni eléyìí tí mo tún wá gbọ́dọ̀ tó wá ń yà mí lẹ́nu pé wọ́n ní Wùnmí ó ń fi àwọn agbénipa ó fi ń threaten Yomi mo ní ṣé bó dẹ̀ sọ pé o mọ nǹkan kan pa nínú kú ọkọ ẹ o mọ nǹkan kan pa ẹ o ní ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti pa ẹ wá gbé trọ́fì yín ó fi ń yé wa pé o mọ nǹkan kan pa ẹ wá ètò ìdí pé ìwọlọ tó wá ń gbọ́n sìn àbí kákú sọ pé allegedly ni because èmi ò wò wípé Wùnmí lè ní agbára bó lè ní effrontery yẹn tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní lóòótọ́ àwọn kan náà ló wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ àbí ta ló mọ èkó ló Wùnmí lọ́yọ̀ọ́ tí irú Wùnmí yẹn tó fi máa sọ pé òun mọ àwọn agbanipa èlò ni Wùnmí ní lọ́wọ́ tó fẹ́ fi háyà irú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí kò bá sí èèyàn lẹ́yìn Wùnmí èèyàn ló ń bẹ lẹ́yìn orò tó rò fi ń ké o ẹ má jẹ́ ká tọra wa jẹ èèyàn ló ń bẹ lẹ́yìn orò tó rò fi ń ké bí ó bá sẹ́ni kankan lẹ́yìn orò ò lè ké kankan I'm telling you ẹjọ gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí kẹ́ ẹ tó gbọ́ ẹjọ ẹ wọ́n kọ́ máa ń bẹ̀yìn náà ni èmi ò kí ń ṣakọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi because tí ó bá ti sẹ́yìn kò sí mi tí n bá wá ṣe atótónu mi báyìí náà tí n bá rẹ́ ni listen sí mi ṣé kò ti ní sú mi but bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ́ mi tẹ́ ń bá mi share program mi tẹ́ ń subscribe tẹ́ ń comment ìdùnnú tèmi náà ló jẹ́ òun náà àgbàjẹ́ máa ń sọ pé kú iṣẹ́ ló máa ń mórí iṣẹ́ yá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń patronize mi tẹ́ ń share program mi tẹ́ ń listen sí mi ló ń motivate mi náà tèmi náà tún ṣe kí ni tí mo tún fi ń tẹ̀síwájú láti máa get more information fún yín so fún ìdí èyí ẹ bá mi share bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń bá mi share gbogbo ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ mi ẹ comment bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń comment gbogbo ẹ̀yin níbi ọkàn mi ẹ bá mi subscribe fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tí ẹ kọ́ máa kọ sí péjì ẹ subscribe kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ tẹ like ẹ jẹ́ ká wá gbọ́ kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pàtó ẹ má bá mi ká lọ.
Guys, you will not believe it, guys. You will not believe it. Wunmi is sending hired people that used to unalive people to justice for Mohbad people. She said if you cannot stay away from the justice, they are going to unalive you. They are going to buy you because she knows that hand is about to touch her. Guys, watch this video, like and subscribe to the channel.
I subscribe.
Wunmi is a criminal.
I said, this is the position of this one want to go. If you do anything after it will take your life. They threaten my life. But I have to take my stand. Look at the current commissioner of police. I went to complain. He said, don't protest. Come to
I'm sorry, 1 minute. If you need the account number, it's on his page. Just click on his profile. You can click on the profile and you go to his page. You will see the account number of the foundation if you want to support everything he's been doing. And God bless you. Okay. Yeah, if you need his contact, I don't know what you want to discuss with him. You can click on him and you will see a message. You can reach out to him. Let's continue.
So you understand? So this is what we have to face with them. Like, I am not here to do anything. I just here to fight for them, like every other Nigerian. This is what I wish to do. This is what I want to do with my life, with whatever I must have gathered for years. Stand on the
Oh, yeah. Yomi.
It's strange to them that what are we doing? I said, we want to give our country an identity. An identity that will make us an envy of others. That Nigerians will stand up for other Nigeria. They think that it is only by blood you can be able to go this far for the fellow Nigeria. We should be able to stand up for one another. A soldier is out there defending my own freedom. In the slum, police officers are patrolling. I'm sleeping. I'm talking here. They are patrolling. Their children are somewhere else. I said, why are you stopping us from playing our own role? Why should any police officer be angry that I am fighting for justice? Something that you have been paid to do. I have not been paid to fight for justice. You have been paid to fight for justice. You have been respected for fighting for justice. And then you want to be showing us that you want to be standing for crime. Is that not counterproductive and it's disgusting thing to do? So at the end of the day, it's becoming a serious melee. They are now saying, oh, it is a fraud case, it's in Abuja. Does homicide section look like the section that treats fraud, for heaven's sake? How can they want to embarrass a whole police force command headquarters that they went to pick somebody? Somebody is in the court facing all these things that I read out. Why would they want now take him to Abuja and be charging him for the same thing or holding him for this? Does it make any sense? Is that how can you expect an NGO to be involved in such that they should be double charging somebody or be investigating if he's already facing those kind of charges? And we can't be holding him for more than 10 days for the same thing. So this boy is like his family are deceiving the public again, and they will be facing the same fate. Instead of them to speak the truth and say, our son, we don't know what we are doing with these people. Whether you belong to a court, for whatever association you belong to them. We know you. We know that you were not even there because Mohbad died on the 11th. Damola was probably drafted in on the 12th. Or maybe it was part of those that sneaked into the house on the 11th. We are yet to confirm until we see the CCTV. Because at some point we were hearing that this same Damola allegedly took the TV out somewhere. I don't know if you heard about it then. So people were feeding me that they were saying he was the one that even took the TV out of the CCTV. With investigators, we got into the house. Wow. Experts confirmed that this is a completed CCTV installation. You understand? And they went back. There were traces of the TV that is screening the CCTV. There was landmark. If you go into the house now, it's still there, showing the traces of installation of his TV for the CCTV. The wire, the conduit wire that will transport all images.
You know how many other houses been taken? I would have said, maybe let's go and do a tour there.
You have to get police permission. You can't just go into the.
Yes.
I mean, before now. I mean, this time I will just be there with all of us.
Yeah, you guys will have to be caught on that, but it's at this point now. The only way I can do is I don't know. Even I want to share any procedure to that online. But there is a place we can. You have to go through the investigation.
It's fine. I just wanted to ask something. When you look chemical, then we had a lot that we will be able to be the Jeba, we will pull up blood.
We have an Atlantic now. Because the house is empty. So it's no longer an active crime scene.
Because this is just that, I mean, we have to make sure that.
You want to ask question?
It's not a question. I'm going to ask something. I just want to point us to the right direction. You know, you were mentioning about the data on the iCloud. You know, by now, let's just say that those people involved would have logged them back to the iCloud and delete the data from the iCloud. Okay? They can still the only way is we putting the pressure on Nigerian police to write Apple and get that deleted data from Apple. They don't even have to write Apple. Last time we researched it here, and the Nigerian police have those tools. That's software that can be used to put pressure on them to the right stations on the iCloud, Google Drive, all of these things. Yeah. Because just if you give them a line, you let them just do the investigation to download the iCloud, you probably won't find that video clip there anymore. No, they can log on it and
the point is, if the NCC are involved, I don't think, because this is Abuja now. The NCC and the cybercrime these things are designed that in an event there is a serious concern and the government reaches out to you, before we allow you to operate in our country, you must be willing to release vital information to the right authorities. So it's part of the design. Yeah, it is. They can't allow Apple to fly in Nigeria without such agreement. It's as a national security now. If it's going to be on, they're going to be on internet and they want to have access to our country, they must be able to bind them. It's part of the law. If not, there's security in this country. So when it gets to that stage, it will be. You understand?
Yeah. I'm just saying that nobody getting new phone for Damala. I don't think that would do.
You have to still make that attempt first. They might still not be able to do that. All these guys that work with Bitcoin, you think they won't know all this stuff? My brother, the point is this. Don't forget that Wumi had already confirmed that he shared the same iCloud with Mohbad. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Like, now, thank you for saying that. That's why I said Nigerian police, they hold the ACs to all the states. That's part of their job. They want to investigate. That is why we are asking. I'm saying that. That's why I've been putting it to Wumi, Cynthia Aloba, that please, since you have nothing, you know that you have no hand in whatever took your husband's life, present yourself for investigation. She call you, but you don't come. I was in zone 2. You can't come. Now I'm in Abuja now. She's hiding everywhere. And we're getting another feeler that she's hiding in the house. That an actress is shielding her. You understand all this is? An actress is shielding her. And one of Mohbad's friends, there is every indication now, I'm telling you on authority, has been going to the same place. One of Mohbad's friends connected to this case has been going to the same place to do what? They know I'm speaking the truth. Because I can't be divulging whatever I've been doing in the background. So these are the things that the authorities are now fully aware of. And it's certain. But how much power do I have? The power that I have, I've used it. Where I need to sacrifice and put the spotlight on the case, I have already done it. They thought I'm crazy. I went on the street to let them know that if you want us to prove that on the street is not safe, prove it to me why somebody will have to be bothered in his house, in his own comfort zone. It's new setting. Gives the final response. Which is, to get to that stage, we have to keep shouting, we have to keep doing this thing, we have to keep. But the disunity of the public is so. I don't understand.
Lady, please, can I say something? Because I don't understand. I'm not even though I'm not in Nigeria, but no one is above the law. So I don't understand the reason why the actress is hiding this Cynthia. And the police are not doing anything about it. They have to fish the person out.
Like I said to you, the point is now. I think investigation will get there. Investigation will get there. Yeah. Just a matter of time. They will fish out. And I won't say more than that. Just my dear sister. Investigation will get there. That is the right response. It will get there. And I don't want to go deeper. We cannot just condemn the authorities at this point because sometimes some things are not too obvious. But that's why exactly if the police, Nigerian police are so equipped, if they want to fish anybody out, believe it, they will. So regardless of whether anything, they decided that this is they keep citing fundamental human rights. I kept saying, let's take for instance, whatever investigation that is going on now, let me put it this way. The actress is not on the list. So if there is no serious guarantee, as in, I don't know if you guys can allow me not to speak about this one, so that you understand. No, just manage. No, it doesn't matter. It's not about us. Just manage everybody. Managing me now.
But Coriano, you not kill me. This my husband.
Just manage your information simple.
No, there's no manage Samarano.
Yeah, may God bless you. How are you doing? Hope you are well.
Please don't just be muted. So we are trying to sort something. Go on.
No, let me skip that, Paparano.
All right. I mean, it's up to you. I mean, we don't want to determine for you what to say. You know what to say, what not to say. Go on.
Yeah.
Just let me skip that, but I can tell you for free. You know, the
Nigerian Police Authority. And Richie, hello Richie, your network is lagging already. Sorry, speaking, sorry. Speaking, yeah.
So let me skip that. Let me skip that aspect as I've skip it. So, like I said, Mohbad is going to get justice, and it's coming. It's just one or two stuff, and then we are done. But any other person to give the final response before I go, any other group of people, it's still the public. The only thing I want us to avoid is anything that will look like, what are you people doing? Is it not the same public? Why are you taking us back? And I don't want anybody to be embarrassed. Like, no matter what you are doing, you are taking this investigation back. It's not going to make sense. So if anybody has any credible angle, pathway, different from us, we will still meet at the center. But if they don't have, it is still reasonable that they just go to the same department that we talked about, right in there, find a way to play a part. If they can't work with us, it's no problem. It's just that at the end of the day, as an interested party, they only have limited information. Any credible information they want to get, they have to keep applying officially. Just like the way we applied for the directive of the presidency on our own petition, the invitation letter, and the investigation reports. So all these things will take time. You understand? So if they want to do it, they can. If they want to do press conference, but it will be reasonable if it is an up-to-date press conference, not a press conference that will sound as if, talking about, spending us when they are already in court, they just stuff. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's just like somebody trying to say the police should arrest spending. Should arrest.
Damola is a very big mess. I mean, a very big trouble. I mean, Damola is. I mean, it's gonna go down for it. He has a choice. You only have one choice now. Just speak the truth and get out of all of this. Just only the truth.
He invited it on himself. Nobody forced him. My brother, the sad reality is that
I was asking myself, where was Damola all this while that the guy went talking to you? He said so many things about you on Instagram. Are you aware of that?
I didn't know.
Damola went saying so many things about you. I was asking myself, I said, why would you maybe even watching this guy? This guy, I mean, you yourself, you know that you're part of this homicide case, and you'll be going around talking and saying nasty things. What did this guy do?
Why is it that no one is responding to this guy on Instagram? I saw it and I was asking.
Me too, that's why I thought that it was a case of defamation.
I thought he was not even in the house because of the
I knew that was eventually going to come up. And even right now, with where we are, if the investigation gets there, believe me, they may pick him up. Because if they decide to check all the posts been posting, all the people he's been reaching out, they will see all those things. And
sure, he's going to be in his own life.
Who do you think will be in trouble?
Damola now.
Damola. He's already in custody. You are saying he'll be in trouble. Or is already in trouble?
Maybe in more trouble. There'll be so many attempts to bail him. There'll be so many attempts to bail him. There'll be so many attempts to bail him. There'll be so many attempts to bail him.
He's already the biggest trouble.
Man.
And somebody's asking, we have to be echoing, was he in the house? Yes. How do you know? Please wait. How do you know? Go and watch police preliminary report. They called his full name. Right? He was part of those that carry Mohbad from upstairs down to the hospital.
The Perez Hospital CCTV is there.
You forgot about that. Police even mentioning that he was part of those Perez.
Even if police refused to mention him, and the camera is showing him that he was there.
I'm gonna bring it.
Yemi, I know you heard about it. This is Love by Faith. Thank you for all your work you've been doing. I've been seeing a lot of video of you. God bless you. Like you said, Mohbad's gonna get justice. This is everybody wish, and this is everybody prayer. I know Damola is in custody. The main source of this incident that happened, the people, number one, where is Darosha at this present moment? Where is Darosha at this present moment? The person that embalmed Mohbad and said that his grandfather died. This is what he did.
They are all running. An investigation will get to them. It's a matter of time.
The moment
Investigation will get just make one person confess. Once one person start confessing and start giving information, all of them, no matter where they run to.
Let him answer because I quote that he's not in Nigeria anymore. So maybe you already have an idea.
Okay, I'm not tracking him. But the point is this: the moment they know that Damola has been arrested and whisked to Abuja, they know certainly because they know what they did, and they know certainly that for that to have happened, if Torchlight is on Damola, who is Adura, who is Darisha that Torchlight, who is Wumi, that Torchlight will be on them. Those are the primary people that we have to question. So as we speak now, I don't know where he is, but I know certainly that Damola thought it is previous. He thought it is in previous police command that they will stage him for 2-3 days and then the powerful people will come, they will release him. Even if they release him now, which is not likely, as in, if they're going to release him, he's going to be...
They will still pick him again. Damola is going to go down for the time.
It's going to be based on a serious, stringent administrative bill, or he's charged to court if they continue to be at large. And if he's charged to court, there is a possibility that he might not get bail because it's a murder case.
Very serious case, very serious case.
Now look at it and say, hey, Joe, and they've advised him. I'm telling you what has happened there. They've advised him that the only opportunity you have now is to call your mother. Or if your mother is not...
I don't even think coming out. I mean,
I don't want to...
Because he will go back if he doesn't tell the truth. Think about this thing.
I don't want to confirm whatever he has said.
It's not safe.
Even if he doesn't say the truth, the authorities...
It's all
the truth now. I can say, and I don't want to go into details of what is going on that one. They have told him that the mother should go and maybe if she's going to maybe remove her bra and go in naked before Yamubad and Yamumi and say, Ewobi, both of you, tell your children to go to Abuja. I want my son free. Because it is non-negotiable. He is a false person. I don't know why somebody will say, bring the entire load on me so that you guys can be enjoying yourself outside. That is what is just playing. And they thought that money will now say, okay, Abuja, you should take. They had release him. Say, give one excuse. If they do that, enemy will go. Money be a positive.
We will do 20.
You understand? So,
guys, comment, please. There's something we don't do here. Wait, please wait. There's something we don't do here. Please don't tell your mate to stop or not stop. Emma try nearby. Your mate is an adult. You know what to say. He knows what not to say. Please, you don't control him. Emma nearby. Okay, last warning. Let him speak. You know what to say and what not to say. It's not just getting to life and it's not just fighting for justice. Please. We who are here, we understand.
It's quite unfortunate. The guy invited this stuff to himself. Nobody forced him to do it. I don't know him. There's no way I would have naturally, if he didn't bring himself forward. I didn't know him. I would have written to the police.
Damola, in fact, Damola is in big mess. In fact, even more than everybody right now, Damola is in for many things. In fact, Damola is between you, Adura, Wumi, and the Lagos State government.
Federal government.
All of you. Damola is a very big mess.
Even the force headquarters.
God know why Damola is just where he is and why he's in this position. God knows why.
From Ogombo. Retire from Ogombo to...
Yeah, so the question is, why are the police keeping him for so long? They've asked for extension, right?
You know, there are people they are fighting. They are fighting back. When an opponent is fighting, it's not so straightforward. When an opponent is fighting back, believe me, everything's not going to be straightforward. It's going to be delayed. It's going to be having some hips, you know. So just consider it something like that.
And it's very...
They are fighting hard. How can an actress be hiding a potential suspect? Can you imagine that? In which country?
It's not
I was even confirming.
Babayano, it's very important for Adura. If truly, Shebi, he said it was Damola. Are you saying? And it showed it was Damola, and there are every imprint to show it was Damola that impersonated him. By now, it's very easy for Damola's mother to say, are you sure it's
their lies is not even making sense any longer? Their lies doesn't even make sense anymore.
So that it's because I want the mother to hear. Maybe I would love to. That if
the mother is recording, I think the mother is recording. Go on.
If the mother's mother is so sure that his son never did it, that means.
Sorry, can we say somebody please record it for Damola's parents or for Damola's people? Please record this, please.
The sister is watching now.
Wait, let me wear sunglasses. Please wait, let me wear sunglasses. Not by free. Wait, go on, record it. Go on.
This is so direct.
There's something else in this one, my husband.
Please wait, they are recording this now. Guys, they're on the record now, please. Guys, action, please. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, let me ask Yomi another question.
Not by free. Wait now. I want to pass a message first now. Wait, after we let Yomi finish. So yeah, go on.
If Damola's mom is so sure that her son did not do it, he didn't shut me up, certainly she's saying that it is Adura who has his own access to his own TikTok. Then it is now the onus on Damola's mom to beckon on Adura's mother that please tell your son to go and own up to what he did, and so that my son can be free. That way, they can just pat him on the back or give him citation that you just want to kill. So now you are trying to own up to what you didn't do. Next time, you might not be lucky. They might grant him bail and let him go. But for Damola's mom to be insisting that his son didn't do it, and they don't want Adura to go and own up for it. But if Damola's mom, if you are sure it is your son that did it, then certainly your son should pay for what he did. Then Adura should be bold. This is the time Yamubad should go and take Adura to go and testify against Damola at the SCID instead of running around. If Wumi is sure that the incident never happened, that Damola lied against her, this is the time and that lawyer that his suit is always doing galloping, they should go to that Abuja and say, thank you, we are happy that you have hold him down. This guy even lied about our client, saying he murdered, he pushed, he never did. And they should establish. Why are they not doing that? Why are they calling Yomi and saying Yomi, he is lying, Yomi? What is all this thing? Is it me that asked them to do it or saw what they saw? If Wumi is sure that what Damola is saying is a lie, this is the opportunity for her to go to Abuja and testify against and write a statement against Damola. Because they are needed, but they are not presenting themselves. This is the time Yamubad. Even if she wants transport, I can get flight ticket for her and Adura. Even with the lawyer, that we are sure that our they should not wait until they come to arrest them. That's my only advice.
But have they been invited? That's the question.
Have they been what?
Invited.
Seriously, over-invited self.
Yes.
Since when? Over 2 years, something invited. Okay, I'm doing something. I did invited.
I didn't pick that.
If they are officially invited by the presidents, right? So
They have gone past that now. They've gone past that self. I don't want to go into this. They will pick them up anyway. You know, anyway,
ask this question before I go back to work. Let me just ask this question, please,
Okay,
before I go back to work. Then you can continue the conversation. Okay, now that they have picked up Damola, this is my question now. What is the motive behind this picking up of Damola? Are we now going to know what by his brother-in-law, or what is really going on? That is my question.
Okay, first of all, Damola is not Adura. Adura is Mohbad's brother. Damola is just one of the friends.
So that's the brother-in-law. They say it was Wumi's brother.
No, Damola is not. Damola is not. It's Sukomi.
Oh, so they lied to us.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah, they lied at the time.
They are selling lies on social media right now.
Oh, so they lied to us. Okay, I mean you can go ahead now. So what is the motive behind it now that he's behind bad? Are we going to know now that what by Mohbad?
You will know. And how you know it? You know how you know? Is for them, is for Adura and Damola to be in front of the highest investigating body in this country.
Okay.
Adura, Damola is there. At least one person must take responsibility for the confession and the content of that.
Yes. Good morning, Papa. God bless you, not by faith, without wonderful question.
When any of them take responsibility, whoever takes responsibility must provide the full video.
Good morning, Papariano.
You understand?
Hold on, let the guy talk.
Please let him talk. Not my phone question is still on.
Don't shout at me.
Go, we don't need you, please. Don't come here and disrespect people here. What do you don't shout at you? Just come here and you're fighting. Don't shout at me. I mean, I don't even have a picture.
Either of them.
I don't even start this morning. I don't have time for you guys to say haters this morning. Don't even try here. Go to another live stream and check next bus stop. Can't you guys see we are very busy here? We are trying to sort out things here.
Because either of them, at this point, if the police pursue it the way it should be pursued, which is what I have seen them doing, either of them would have to be together.
So you mean it is up to the police now, no longer up to you to see that they unravel all of this?
Why will it be up to me? I'm just a civilian.
No, because people are thinking that now that you have taken Damola, okay, to FCI.
I'm not the one to arrest Damola.
It's not the actual thing, the actual cause.
No, you know the way people think of it.
Just so as they understand, it is now up to the Nigerian police to see that the foundation has done its own part, but the Nigerian police must also do theirs and uphold the rights to give justice, which we all deserve.
They are on top of it, and it's going to be stormy, but if we continue to persist and stand on what they are pursuing, they will do the right thing.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Lord. God bless you. It's a wonderful book.
Thank you.
God bless you.
I have a question. You said
Ask
you're not the one that
any question. Go on, ask any question.
I don't understand how this operates in Nigeria. You were on the plane, and somebody was recording how Damola got arrested, and you were on the plane. Why were you involved with the police operation, Yomi?
Okay, now as a complainant, are you saying?
I understand.
I have to, naturally in this world, in this police investigation, sometimes if you allege somebody that somebody wants to kill you or you're going to write petition, if this is Nigeria where we don't have harmonized database, sometimes you might really want to go and point to them, the person you are referring to. So if you want to meet somebody, let's be honest with you, I can tell you for free, 101% of the police officers that came on that day cannot visibly say this is Damola. You understand?
Okay, so they needed to
Point to them.
to point out that this is the person they're looking for.
Yes, exactly. So it's very important. That one is a standard procedure. Even abroad, in America that you are, police will do mistaken identity. They will go and arrest the wrong person because the complainant is somewhere else. But they always rely on their computer, on their database, and they still do mistake.
Yeah, but they must have had Damola's picture with them, right?
Whose picture?
And
See, I don't
Damola's picture and
The confirmation will still be needed because as long as there's a complaint coming out from you.
Let me break it down for you.
Please, thank you.
If let's assume that Damola ran to Ekiti, are you saying?
Yeah, ọmọ igi tó ń wò mí gbogbo ẹni olùfẹ́ justice from Bani mo ní kí n má dá yín lágara èyí tó jẹ́ kókó inú ọ̀rọ̀ òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣó lè jẹ́ lóòótọ́ ní Wùnmí ló ń fi àwọn agbénipa wáyọ̀ mi káàkiri tó bá yẹ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi fi èrò ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section fún àǹfààní ẹni tó yẹ pé gbà àkọ́kọ́ ilé ìtẹ́ come across the page ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV mo tún wá bẹ̀yìn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ kó go viral kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ tẹ like mo tún ń padà bọ̀ information ṣe pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ mo sọ fún yín pé mi ní dá yín lágara ẹ bá mi share kẹ́ ẹ comment kẹ́ ẹ like kẹ́ ẹ subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV mo tún ń padà bọ̀ ire o.